This is a 2-queen room at the Kingsley Doubletree in, I think, Bloomfield Hills, Michigan is technically where we are. So we walk in, there's a small closet here. I have my jacket hanging up already. Ironing board. Some extra hangers. No safe in here. Come to the right, and here's the bathroom. So we've got one sink here. The lotion is here, attached to the wall. Got the typical like Hilton lighting. We do have a makeup mirror that's lit. Lots of towels, extra towels, hair dryer down there. Then the shower here. Shower head. A little pole to help you get in and out. And then shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel in the containers attached to the wall. Coming back out, there's a full-length mirror here. And then the one bed, which I've already sat on, so it's a little bit messy, but no top sheet. Here in the center, there's a charger for one of us, and then the other one gets the alarm clock. But there's a phone, lots of magazines and guides in here, nothing in the bottom drawer. There's an outlet next to this bed here. Then next to this bed, I guess an outlet behind the chair there. There's a chair in here, lamp. Our view faces the courtyard. There's actually a pool down there as well. So, courtyard. We've got a little table here that's movable for, I guess, if you did room service, but there's also waters there. And then this is our desk area, a couple more outlets, coffee machine. In here we do have a small refrigerator. So, got that. And then I'm wondering if there's a safe in one of these. Oh, and the safe is in here. And then just 2 more empty drawers. So, and then of course the TV. So this is our 2-queen room at the Kingsley in Bloomfield Hills.